Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. So children, today we are going to do the revision of our first chapter, which is computer, a machine. Okay. So in this chapter, we have studied about different types of computers. Okay. And this is the conversation between the teacher and the student. They are talking like this teacher is asking on the in the picture from the student that can you tell the name of this machine. Then the student replies that it is a computer. So the student recognizes it as a computer. Okay. Now next children, we have read about the different types of computer. First is desktop computer, then this is a laptop, and this is a tablet. Okay. After that children, I have asked you all to color this picture of computer in your homework. Alright. Next we have studied about the natural things. So these are the pictures of the natural things. Natural things children which you can see in the nature. Okay. So like trees, flowers, animals. So all these things you can see in the nature. That means these are the natural things. Okay. Next, we have also studied about man-made things. So man-made things are those things which are made by the person or man. Okay. So you call those things as man-made things. Okay. You will find a few pictures here. First is chair, table, book. Okay. And you can find these you can find the man-made things in your house also and school also. Okay, so these are the examples given to you: chair, table, and book. All these are man-made things. Okay. Next we have read about machines, man-made things. Okay, the machines which are made by the man. So look at the pictures of the machines. These are also the man-made things, and I have already explained you children that machines run on electricity, fuel, and human power. Okay, so these are the examples of machines which run on electricity. First is washing machine. These all machines you can see in your house. Okay, so these are the examples of machines that run on electricity. And after that, these two machines, ये दोनों machines children, aeroplane and car, these two machines run on fuel. Okay, so you have to remember the examples children about which machines run on electricity and which machine run on fuel. Okay. देन यहाँ पे देखो चिल्ड्रन कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. ये मशीन्स जितनी भी हैं दीज रन ऑन ह्यूमन पावर. तो आपको ये एग्जाम्पल्स भी रिमेम्बर करना है. लाइक रिक्शा, सीविंग मशीन, बोट, इन सब मशीन्स को चलाने के लिए ह्यूमन पावर की नीड होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट चिल्ड्रन. मशीन हेल्प अस टू डू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क. ऑल मशीन्स हैव सम थिंग्स इन कॉमन. ओके, मशीन हमारी बहुत हेल्प करती है चिल्ड्रन टू कंप्लीट डिफरेंट वर्क, एंड एवरी मशीन हैज सम थिंग्स इन कॉमन. ओके, अब यहाँ पे आपको फीचर्स बताएं मशीन के. मशीन वर्क वेरी फास्ट, मशीन सेव आवर टाइम, मशीन मेक्स आवर वर्क वेरी इजी, मशीन्स कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन देयर ओन. Machines cannot work on their own. So these are the important features of the machine. Each machine is made up of different parts. These parts work together to do a particular task. And you can see this machine has different parts in it, and all the parts work in different way. अलग अलग तरीके से अलग part work करता है machine का. Okay, and it help us to make our task complete. Okay. Next, computer, a smart machine. Next we have read about computer. Computer is also a type of machine. You call it as smart machine. So a computer is also a man-made machine. Okay, it runs on electricity. You have to remember these important terms children which I have underlined. So computer is also a man-made machine because a person has developed this machine called computer. It runs on electricity. It makes our work easy. It has different parts that work together to make a computer work. Okay, कंप्यूटर में भी देखो चिल्ड्रन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर, CPU. So all these are the parts of computer. Okay, and all these parts work together to perform any task. Okay. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अ कंप्यूटर अलाउ अस टू डू डिफरेंट टास्क. कंप्यूटर की हेल्प से हम डिफरेंट टास्क कंप्लीट करते हैं. वी कैन प्ले द गेम्स, वी कैन सॉल्व सम्स. यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दीज few of the examples, like you can play games on computer, you can solve sums, you can make drawings, you can also write stories, you can listen to the music, watch cartoons. So all these are the activities you can do on the computer machine. Okay, now next children, all these are the important terms because these indicate that what the computer can do. So यहाँ पे ये कंप्यूटर की पिक्चर गिवन है चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्टली यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दैट कंप्यूटर इज अ स्मार्ट मशीन. इट विल नेवर मेक मिस्टेक. इट विल गिव यू अ accurate and exact result. Computer will work very fast. Okay, as soon as you give the data to the computer and instructions you give to the computer, at the same time आपको उसी टाइम computer result provide करेगा. Okay. Next, computer never gets tired. Computer can work for long hours, depend on the electricity supply because computer electricity पे work करता है. Okay, computer gets order from you. कंप्यूटर को वर्क करने के लिए चिल्ड्रन ऑर्डर की जरूरत होती है. आप जो ऑर्डर और इंस्ट्रक्शन दोगे कंप्यूटर को उसी के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्यूटर वर्क करता है. ओके, कंप्यूटर कैन स्टोर मैनी थिंग्स लाइक वर्ड्स, नंबर्स एंड पिक्चर्स. कंप्यूटर में आप किस टाइप का डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हो? आप वर्ड्स भी स्टोर कर सकते हो, नंबर्स भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं एंड पिक्चर्स भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है कंप्यूटर के चिल्ड्रन. एंड व्हेन यू विल कंबाइन दीज पॉइंट्स देन यू कैन से दैट द कंप्यूटर इज अ स्मार्ट मशीन. ओके, so you have to remember these points as well. Okay children, next we have done the exercise part of this chapter. Here we have done the fill in the blanks, we have done the match the followings, right? And next we have also done the true and false part where you have to tell that which question is the correct one, which is the wrong one, like which option given to you out of all these are the true and false ones. Then D part किया था चिल्ड्रन हमने. Okay, this is the mark the correct option according to the question. Okay, आपको क्वेश्चन गिवन होगा, आपको तीनों ऑप्शन में से कोई एक करेक्ट ऑप्शन को टिक करना है. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ऑल्सो डन द आंसर इन वन वर्ड. आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस गिवन होंगे एंड आपको आंसर करना है वन वर्ड में. ओके, we have children completed our my activity part also. Here you have to see the picture and you have to fill this crossword. Okay, some hints are also given to you below it. Okay children, next you have to identify the objects that are machines. Here in the pictures you can see. Okay children, so by this children we have completed our chapter. First chapter we have done the revision of our chapter now. Okay, and you have to go through this chapter once again for your test. So children, all the best, and that's all for today's class. Thank you for watching.